Hi everyone, welcome to part 2 of the new recipe. We're doing sweet potato porridge, and I've introduced other things. So now what we're going to do now, we're going to cook the sweet potato. It's on now, so roughly about 10 minutes, but just check it occasionally. And this is the plantain. You just cut off the plantain into two. You could peel off the skin and cook, or you could cut it in half and later you peel off the skin when you've put it out of the fire. So we put that one as well and boil. For the plantain, just make sure, check it occasionally. When it's fully done, you will see the color change, you see it's softer. So use a fork as well to pin on it, and also for the sweet potato. Now for this other one, this is the sliced onions. Now this is the mash. This is the turmeric, the ginger and the garlic. This is the dill. Now this is the cooked liver. You can season it in any way you want to do. Now this is the red pepper, long red pepper. And this is the spring onions, which has already been cut as well. Then this is the olive oil, which is also here as well. Then you could add salt as well, and black pepper. So we get back to this, we allow it to boil. Like I said, it's going to be about 10 minutes, but take it occasionally and see how it progresses. And back to this side as well. So once the potato and the plantain are done, gonna pour it out in a sieve. And likewise for the plantain, we're gonna peel off the skin and cut it in sizable chunks as you might want. Then we're gonna start from there. So for now, if we go back to this, we'll leave it for some time boiling, and check it occasionally. Hi everyone, welcome to part 3 of the sweet potato porridge. So we're going to go now straight into the things we have for. So first of all, this is the sweet potato which we've cooked and we've drained the water. Then you have this is the plantain, which you remember we had the back. So we've drained the water and cut it in slices. So we're going to go straight into the cooking. So first of all, put on the fire. So first of all, what you have to do is to measure the oil you need. Okay, so ideally I'll say about maybe 2 spoons, maybe. Yeah, 2 spoons should be ideal, but you feel you should need more. So we allow it to heat up a bit. Then the first of all we have to do is going to be the onions, which you've slightly chopped. So the better you've chopped the onions. So give it about another 1 minute for it to heat up. And while that is happening, let's go through all we had again before. So this is the mashed turmeric, the garlic and the ginger. This is the dill, the chopped dill, which has been washed. This again was the beef liver, which has been cooked. And this is the chopped onions. This is the long red pepper. And this is the spring onions, which are already chopped as well. So we will now put the onions slightly, gradually putting everything in. And that's the chopped onions. So ideally, you can now stir initially Stirring the onions as well. Ensure the oil gets into the onions. So stir to all the sides of the pot as well. So while you're doing this, you bring the long red pepper. So you have the long red pepper here as well. And you put it as well. You stir fry. So for now we're doing stir frying. We're on part 4 now. So we stir frying the onions and the long red pepper. Okay, so while we're doing that, we bring in the spring onions, which we had before as well. Add everything in and also stir fry it as well. Make sure everything is fully mixed up together. You can add oil if you like, but for now I feel the oil is okay. So while we're stir frying this as well, we will add the mash. This is the turmeric, garlic, and ginger. So we continue stir frying. Continue stir frying. Ensure it's turning vigorously. It's turned properly. Continue stir frying it as well. So while this is happening, you could add the black pepper. Just a small portion of black pepper around. And you can add salt. This is sea salt. Continue stir frying as well. You can reduce the temperature of the gas cooker if you wish.